Here we're going to talk about the midpoint formula. The midpoint between 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2. Once again, we're going to do in general here. So let's do a Cartesian coordinate system. So I've got the point x1, y1, and then let's do this point right here, x2, y2. Okay, the midpoint will be that point. When I think midpoint, I think right in the middle. Okay, so that midpoint, M. So the midpoint, M, would be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now, why is this the formula? Okay, let's think about this. Well, the x value for this first point is x1, and the x value for that second point is x2. How do I find the point that's in the middle there for the x value? Well, to find the middle number, say you made 100 on the first test and a 50 on the second test, how do you average those two? You add them up, x1 plus x2, and then you divide by 2. And that's where this middle point value is coming from. Same thing with the y value part. Okay, with the y value part, this is my y2. This is my y1. How do I get this middle piece right here? I average the two, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And that's where this piece comes into play. Okay, so this is how we get the midpoint, the average between the 2 points. Sometimes we need to know exactly what halfway is. So it's the averaging of two numbers. So we're averaging here. Okay, so this is my formula given these 2 points. All right, so maybe let's just take the point again, 5, 1, and -1, 3. First thing I do is I'll label my players. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So I average the x's. Okay, so 5 plus a -1 divided by 2 gets me 4 over 2, which is 2. So my x value is 2. And then I average the y's. So if I average the y's, I have 1 plus 3 over 2, so 4 over 2, which is 2 again. So my y value is 2. And I close it up. So the average point, or at the midpoint between these 2 points here, is 2, 2. Okay?